Hello and welcome to this time for yourself. This meditation is for those of you that are struggling with money, student loans, credit or strong card debts. It is for those of you that just want to let go of the preoccupation with the subject of money. This meditation has been inspired by Ken Honda, who wrote Happy Money, and it's a meditation request from LAC GE7. So get settled in your favorite position and pull your attention into your inner self. Start to become aware of your breathing and start to focus on slowly slowing down your breath as you begin to try and relax in your body and state of mind. Breathing in slowly for a 2-second count each time. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Lastly, breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Now we are going to begin with a short journey down your memory lane. Think back to your childhood and try to recall a day when you had a really, truly happy money memory. Continue steadily breathing as you recall that memory in your mind's eye. What were you doing? Where were you? Who were you with? Recall as much vivid detail as you can, and then try and recall how old you were and what was that happy money moment. I will now give you some time to go back and live in that moment and of how good it was to enjoy this happy money moment. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Now, having this wonderful memory in the forefront of your mind, holding that joyous, happy feeling within you, I would like you to bring that feeling into the present moment. Think of a current situation, a money situation that has been troubling you. Don't linger there too long. Just see it in your mind's eye, and then use this good feeling you have evoked within you from your past memory and flood that feeling into the current situation. You are infusing this situation now with joy, happiness, and the emotions needed to create a positive outcome for you. Feel this situation resolved. Live in the good feeling that it is. Feel the feeling of it being resolved with the best possible outcome you can imagine. See it truly surrounded by a more green, dazzling light. I will give you some further time now to live in the end, living from it as you desire it to be. Please do this now. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Lastly, breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Now bring your attention to how you feel and just observe that feeling for yourself. See if you can call upon the place inside of you that knows you are worthy and you have unique value in the world. Just know that you are capable of creating and sharing money with those you love, with those that could use a helping hand, and for you to be able to enjoy saving and spending to benefit your self-love journey. Money can be such a wonderful source of goodness, of freedom, and of giving. Imagine money coming into you faster than you can spend it. Imagine feeling free to purchase what you want, wherever you want. Imagine using money in a meaningful and purposeful way. Imagine having that feeling of joy whenever you deal with money transactions. When you're at the ATM cash point, when you buy food and much needed supplies. What a relief. It is possible to feel free and happy with your money. It truly is a wonderful resource that can be used in a meaningful, happy, money kind of way. Just as Ken Honda described. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Lastly, breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. So for today, this is enough. The turtle ultimately wins the race. Small, regular changes over time. I will now count you slowly out of this meditation. Just imagine an old wooden staircase leading up into the sunlight. Walk up to the stairs as I count down from 10 to 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Please now open your eyes and come back to the room. But remember, you can revisit this meditation anytime you choose.